Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Kent's Section 8 rental property. Guys, Kent is a absolute legend in the affordable housing world. And this is the first project Kent and I are doing together. Kent has a podcast called the Affordable Housing Podcast, and I am going to drop it in the description below. I'm also going to put his YouTube channel in the description below. I was fortunate enough to go on Kent's YouTube channel and podcast a couple of months ago. It was fantastic. He's an absolute incredible human being who's doing so much for the people who rely on affordable housing, who rely on government subsidies. I highly recommend you to check out his content. He brings on the best people in the industry and asks them questions where there are no boundaries, and it's amazing. I'll also post my interview with Kent in the description below too, and I would implore you guys to go and check that out. So Kent asked me to come over to this house and see what we could do to it to kind of create a model Section 8 home. Kent owned this house, and it was a very successful rental for him. The tenants moved out, and now we're kind of taking it over and giving it a total facelift. So on the exterior, what we were able to do was we put a brand new custom metal roof on this thing. It had a little bit of a dated roof. There is a wheelchair ramp that Kent put on here. Being a great landlord, guys, something I tell people all the time. He didn't have to do it. He did it because his tenant was having a tough time getting up the stairs. And the stairs to this house, it was only 3 stoops. But still, he put a handicap ramp in. He put it in years ago. Since then, the code has changed. So we are going to update this handicap ramp as well. I'm going to walk you through it. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. We're turning it into a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Guys working in here is fresh paint, so we're going to kind of move through it quick. Please, guys, questions, comments, leave them below. If you want to do something like this, like Kent has done, drop a email. I have it in the description below as well. Send me an email, guys. We'll get started. So let's walk through. Right now, we're in more of the preliminary rehab phase. We've gone through, we've primed the entire house. We've started to paint it. We've done drywall, sheetrock work. We've built new wall, and when you walked through this mudroom, this was the old living room. So this entire thing, guys, was a living room. What we did was we built this wall right here. So this is brand new. As you can see, everything in here, all brand new door. We built a closet in here too. Put a brand new door here. This is now a bedroom, and look how natural it looks. This was just part of the living room. This is hundreds of dollars a month extra just to have this extra room. And that's why when we walk through these, we try and find places where we can put these kinds of bedrooms where they blend in. I mean, look at this. You have 2 windows, you have a cool chimney here. Now, normally you would have this fireplace in a living room, right? It's a decorative piece, but how cool does it look in a bedroom? And this isn't even a master. This would just be for one of the kids or something like that. So as we walk through bedroom number 1, right across the hall, bedroom number 2. So what we've done there is essentially create an extra bedroom, but look how easy it flows now. You wouldn't even know that it wasn't original. So we have bedroom number 2 here, guys. We're putting all brand new LVP throughout this entire house. There are some places where there's hardwood. We're keeping the hardwood. Otherwise, we're putting LVP down throughout this entire place. So brand new light fixtures going everywhere too. And we are absolutely on fire with this. Moving through here and really getting a lot done. So all LVP, guys, will be put down all through here. It's going to look incredible. This is all sheet flooring. It's all vinyl sheet flooring. So the problem with vinyl sheet flooring is it comes up very easily, and after wear and tear, it's just going to end up coming up and being a problem. So if you're walking through here, you drop a knife, you drop something sharp, it's going to stab it and pop it open. You have a lot of problems too around transitions where it can start peeling up, which it's starting to do a little bit right there over by the trim and really noticeably on the back side. So guys, as we come through here, we're going to move some of the appliances, and like this, for example. This is a good example. So guys, you see all this? So a lot of times when you have vinyl sheet, it's not very tolerant, and you have holes and cracks, and then at that point it just falls apart. People start losing the confidence they have, the pride that they have in their house, because it looks bad and it's embarrassing. So back here, this is where we have our laundry hookups and our water heater. This is a rear mudroom. Off the back here, we've got a lot of our work trucks and a lot of our stuff back here. We've got a new steel door on here as well. That's really nice. So as we walk through, we're gonna head back this way. I'm not gonna try and fit through there again. But we walk through here, and then we have our 2 bedrooms in the back half of the house, as well as our 2 bathrooms. So we've got they just painted this door, but we have a bedroom right here. We got people working in there right now. We have a bathroom in here. Everything on our feet's gonna be turned in to new LVP flooring. We have another bathroom right here, full bath there, and we have bedroom number 4. So you can see why we need to do all new flooring in here. We have 2 different kinds of flooring, so we're definitely going to get this right for Kent and turn it into a much more profitable rental. So could have left it as is, and the way that it looks, it didn't look like this when Kent had it. I want to preface, there was carpet throughout a lot of this house. So in this room alone, it's not like it was half peel and stick and half vinyl. It was carpeted, so it looked good. But there's a difference between looking good and getting something that is gonna pull tenants right off of the rental market into your house. And that's what we're gonna do here. If we have an opportunity to take a rental property like this from $1,100 a month to $1,300 or $1,340 or $1,380, close to $1,400 a month, that's adding, close to $4,000 extra a year towards your bottom line. And that's what we value that extra bedroom addition being, right? If you rent for $1,100 a month and you can get up to $1,400 a month, it's $300 extra a month just by adding that extra bedroom. $300 times 12 months a year, it's $3,600 extra, okay? So pretty unbelievable. And that's not even taking into consideration the appreciation value that adding that extra bedroom is gonna have. So we're always looking to do what we need to do and to bring these things up to where they need to be, maximize value, maximize rent potential, guys. So happy for Kent. Please, if you don't do anything else today, listen to the interview that we had on the Affordable Housing Podcast, and please dive in to Kent's YouTube channel, his Instagram channel, and his podcast. I listen to my podcast on Spotify. You can find him there as well. But guys, thanks for watching. Please leave questions, comments below. I'm sure Kent will hop in to the comments as well, and we'll see you next time.